Hello children, today we will learn about opposite words. Okay, and I explain them in Hindi also. First word is up and its opposite word is down. Up याने ऊपर, down याने नीचे. Another word is open and its opposite is close. Open याने खुला, close याने बंद. Next is come and opposite word is go. Come याने आना, go याने जाना. Big उसका opposite है small. Big याने बड़ा, small याने छोटा. Another word is dry and opposite is wet. Dry याने सूखा, wet याने गीला. Word is thick and opposite is thin. Thick याने मोटा, thin याने पतला. Word is short and opposite is tall. Short याने ठिगना, tall याने ऊंचा. Another is fast and opposite word is slow. Fast याने तेज, slow याने धीरे. The word is day and its opposite word is night. Day याने दिन, night याने रात. Word is happy and its opposite word is sad. Happy याने खुश, sad याने दुखी.